The future of business is no longer just about hard work, it's about smart work. The world is moving fast, and companies that embrace AI and automation are pulling ahead. They're scaling faster, making better decisions, and unlocking new revenue streams. Meanwhile, those who ignore these advancements risk falling behind. AI is not just some futuristic concept, it's already shaping industries, from e-commerce and finance to marketing and content creation. But how can AI and automation help you grow your business, increase efficiency, and ultimately boost your financial success? In this deep dive, we'll break down how AI can streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and optimize decision-making. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or running a large enterprise, AI-driven automation can be your ultimate competitive advantage. But first, let's address the biggest question: what exactly is AI automation, and why should you care? The power of AI automation in business growth. At its core, AI automation is the process of using artificial intelligence to perform repetitive tasks, analyze data, and make decisions often better and faster than humans. This goes beyond simple software tools. We're talking about systems that learn from data, adapt to changes, and continuously improve efficiency. Businesses are using AI to reduce costs, eliminate errors, and free up human talent for higher value work. Imagine cutting your customer service expenses by half while improving response times, or running a marketing campaign that continuously optimizes itself for better results. The key benefit of AI automation isn't just saving time, it's unlocking exponential growth. Let's explore how different aspects of business can leverage AI for maximum financial impact. AI-powered customer service, scaling without scaling costs. One of the first areas where businesses see major benefits from AI is customer service. AI chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated email responses can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously, eliminating the need for large customer support teams. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Shopify already use AI-driven chatbots to assist customers, answer common questions, and even process orders. These bots don't just follow scripts, they learn from conversations and improve their responses over time. By integrating AI into customer service, businesses can provide 24/7 support without hiring additional employees, reduce human error in responses, improve customer satisfaction with faster and more accurate help, save on operational costs while handling a higher volume of queries. The result: a scalable system that improves customer experience while reducing expenses, a direct win for financial growth. AI-driven marketing, hyper-personalization for maximum ROI. Marketing has always been about reaching the right audience at the right time, but AI takes this to a whole new level. AI-driven marketing, hyper-personalization for maximum ROI. Marketing has always been about reaching the right audience at the right time, but AI takes this to a whole new level. AI-powered tools can analyze consumer behavior, track engagement, and adjust campaigns in real time. Instead of relying on guesswork, businesses can use machine learning algorithms to deliver hyper-personalized content, emails, and ads. Some of the most powerful AI marketing strategies include predictive analytics. AI can analyze past customer data to predict future buying behavior, helping businesses focus on high-converting audiences. Automated email campaigns. AI can send personalized emails based on user activity, increasing engagement and sales. AI copywriting. Tools like Chat can generate high-converting ad copy, blog posts, and product descriptions in seconds. Chatbots for sales funnels. AI chatbots can qualify leads and guide customers through the buying process, boosting conversion rates. By using AI in marketing, businesses not only increase efficiency but also maximize revenue through smarter targeting and engagement. AI in finance and accounting. Smarter money management. Financial management is one of the most crucial aspects of scaling a business, and AI is transforming how companies handle their money. AI-powered accounting software can automate bookkeeping. Tools like QuickBooks and Xero use AI to categorize expenses and generate financial reports automatically. Detect fraud. AI algorithms can flag suspicious transactions, reducing financial risks. Optimize cash flow. AI can predict cash flow patterns, helping businesses plan for upcoming expenses and investments. Smart investment insights. AI-driven analytics can provide real-time insights on financial trends, enabling smarter investment decisions. By automating financial processes, businesses not only save time but also reduce human error and improve profitability. AI and e-commerce, scaling online businesses effortlessly. For e-commerce businesses, AI is a game changer. From product recommendations to inventory management, automation helps businesses scale with minimal manual effort. Here's how AI is reshaping e-commerce: dynamic pricing. AI adjusts product prices in real time based on demand, competition, and customer behavior. Personalized shopping experiences. AI recommends products based on a customer's browsing history, increasing sales. Automated inventory management. AI predicts stock needs and prevents overstocking or shortages. AI-powered visual search. Customers can upload images to find similar products instantly. Businesses that integrate AI and e-commerce can serve more customers, reduce costs, and increase sales without hiring massive teams. The future of AI and automation in business growth. AI is not a trend, it's the foundation of the future economy. Businesses that embrace automation today will dominate their industries tomorrow.